Imagine walking into a warehouse the size of 28 football fields. There are no crowds of workers, no forklifts driving through endless aisles, and almost no human voices. Instead, more than 5,000 autonomous robots glide silently across the floor, lifting shelves that weigh hundreds of kilograms, delivering products with astonishing precision, and making millions of decisions every single day. At first glance, it feels less like a warehouse, and more like stepping inside the future.
Welcome to the automated future of shipping. A relentless ballad of machinery ensures that goods flow seamlessly from ship to truck, day and night.
It's a dramatic contrast. Manual labor on the left, pushing carts through dust, while on the right, robots deliver shelves directly to the workers.
By 2050, these urban warehouses became the true heart of the automated network.
The algorithms are rerouting the North American fulfillment traffic. We're seeing a 20% spike in regional demand.
This red zone indicates a significant bottleneck in Quadrant Gamma. We need to reroute the heavy lifters immediately. The future of logistics isn't just automated, it's intelligent. A living system humming with unprecedented efficiency. Operating at a scale previously unimaginable, this facility processes thousands of shipments every hour with pinpoint robotic precision. Our sustainable logistics concept utilizes artificial intelligence to ensure every box is the perfect fit, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. The conveyor activity on Sector 4 is overloading. I've adjusted the flow rate. Look, performance metrics are spiking positively already. The integration metrics are exceeding projections, Dr. Sharma. Yes, the synergy between the AI and the physical models is remarkable. We're seeing a new benchmark for throughput. The recovery protocols are holding steady at 99% efficiency.
Excellent. The predictive model for Q4 looks robust.
The fulfillment center operates as a single, interconnected organism, driven by the glowing pulse of the AI network. Anomaly detected. Rerouting traffic. Isolated. With the AI analyzing data streams every millisecond, we can optimize inventory levels and streamline delivery routes across the entire network. As you can see, the predictive analysis dashboard highlights potential delays in the northeastern quadrant due to unexpected weather patterns.
Scanning complete. Obstacle detected. Recalculating route.
The seamless coordination ensures maximum uptime. As one unit diverts for power, another immediately assumes the workload.
Scan complete.
While the robots do the heavy lifting. The real genius is something you can't even see. Mission critical. Handover complete. The throughput on Sector Gamma is fluctuating. We need to check the predictive maintenance schedule.
It looks stable on my end. Analyzing the robotic swarm metrics now.
Here, thousands of robots work in perfect unison, redefining the speed of modern commerce, all guided by a centralized AI. Here, at the edge of the sunset, we see the future being built. A symphony of human ingenuity and machine efficiency. Welcome to the automated future of shipping. A relentless ballad of machinery ensures that goods flow seamlessly from ship to truck, day and night. In this vast, automated ecosystem, every movement is choreographed. The integration.
It's a dramatic contrast. Manual labor on the left, pushing carts through dust, while on the right, robots deliver shelves directly to the workers.